In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Slack like a pro in less than 3 minutes. Welcome to this quick and essential guide where we'll help you harness all the key features of Slack and optimize your workflow. Let's start by getting you into a workspace. If you're new, head over to Slack's website and sign up for a new workspace, or if you already have one, simply log in. You can use the Slack desktop app, mobile app, or web version depending on your convenience. Once logged in, you'll either join or create a workspace. If someone has invited you, just click the invitation link they provided. But if you're setting up your own, enter your email address, name your workspace, and then invite your team members via their email addresses. This way, you start with a collaborative space ready for all your discussions. Understanding channels is crucial to keeping your communication organized. Channels are like folders that organize by topic, project, or team. You'll find two types of channels: public channels, which are open for everyone in your workspace to view and join, and private channels, which are only accessible to those you invite. To find the right channel for your needs, use their names with a hashtag like #teamupdates. Now, onto sending messages. Choose a channel or direct message a teammate, then type your message in the message box. Slack makes it easy to highlight important points with text formatting. Use asterisks for bold, underscores for italic, and tildes for strike through. Emojis are also an excellent way to express sentiment. Just use codes like smile. Need to get someone's attention? Mention them with an @ followed by their username. Sharing files is just as straightforward. You can drag and drop files directly into your chosen channel or DM. Beyond file sharing, Slack integrates wonderfully with tools like Google Drive, Trello, Zoom, and Xero, allowing seamless switching between platforms. To manage tasks, you can set reminders with remind or pin pivotal messages to the top of your channel for easy access. For locating past conversations or files, use the search bar. Whether it's a keyword from a message, a specific file, or a shared link, the search bar is your quick navigator. If there are items you frequently need, star or pin them for quick future access. Lastly, customize your interaction with notifications and settings. These can be adjusted per channel or across your entire workspace to suit your availability. Activate Do Not Disturb during those important focus periods. And remember, frequently update your profile status and availability to keep your team properly informed. There you have it. You're all set to start slacking like a pro. Thanks for joining and happy collaborating.